Okay, guys, today I want us to look at XRP prices. So let's start. My name is David. So we can see here on the weekly time frame that there is more volume, there is more sellers than the buyers. People who are shorting the XRP are more than the one which are buying the or buying or longing the XRP. So you can see here we have a weekly trend line on the monthly time frame. You can see here we have a the monthly trend line. So let's go to weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, you can see we have also another trend line. This one that I have marked with yellow line. That's a weekly trend line, and it is acting as the resistance. So when the price hits the yellow line, the price of LXRP goes down. So in order for LXRP to move even more higher, it needs to break this yellow line, guys, so that we can push more higher prices. And in order to for market for XRP right now, we can never say that it is bearish or bullish because it's still being supported by the monthly trend line. It is still being supported by the monthly trend line here. You can see the monthly trend line. So we can never say it is bearish or bullish right now. So if we break any of those lines, that's when we will flip bearish or bullish. If the price moves over the yellow line, that's when we flip bullish. And if it goes below the blue line trend line, guys, on the weekly time frame, that's when we flip bearish on XRP. So let's go to 1 day time frame. On 1 day time frame, there's this trend line. You can see this trend line. So this trend line, the XRP was trending on this trend line until it broke the trend line support and flipped it into resistance. So here we can see that XRP tried to go there on the white line, on the white line, that's 1 day trend line, but still have not yet break the trend line. They have not broke through the trend line. So we can never say it's looking very well here for XRP or not very well. We just wait, guys. We just wait if it will go on top of the weekly trend line or below the monthly trend line. That's when we will flip bullish or bearish. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, I drew this rectangle here, rectangle resistance, support and resistance here. You can see here, you can see that XRP has been trading on this box for some time now on the 4 hour time frame. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame now, you can see it where whenever it has XRP has been trading on this uh, rectangle box, and when it touches here down, you wrong, and when it goes there up, you short, guys. And until it breaks this box upward or downwards, that's when we see more price change. So on XRP right now, what we want to be checking is the weekly trend line. What we want to be checking is the weekly trend line and the monthly trend line. If XRP broke the weekly trend line, we go long. If it breaks the trend line, the monthly trend lines, we go short. So that's it for today, guys. So see you next time.